ఇంకా
Back, neck.
నెక్ అండ్ బ్యాక్ పెయిన్. లీవ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ మీ.
Neck pain తగ్గిపోయింది నాకు.
Okay. But what is your feeling right now? Feeling good? Right. Chalo, see you. This was Naveen, engineer in the making, had been suffering since 2 years with neck and back problems, was not able to move or didn't know what to do with it. And finally he landed here and is getting better, feeling nice, feeling happy about it. If any of you out there have any issues like these, please call us, WhatsApp us, or leave us a message. We will get back to you and we will be able to help you get better. Thank you.